Last night across the Twin Tiers, high wind gusts ranging from 30 to 40 miles per hour were felt across the region.
That's right. According to the county executive here in Chemung County, these high winds were the cause of a major power outage that hit many homes across the county. Our 18 News reporter Jacob Matthews has more details, including how to protect yourself from a next windstorm. Jacob.
Thank you, Zach. A high wind advisory was issued for much of the Twin Tiers last night. Strong wind gusts caused multiple damages across the region, including falling tree branches and broken power lines. Binghamton meteorologist Lily Chapman has details on how to protect yourself in the next major windstorm.
Particularly in higher wind situations where there's a risk of even like branches and everything is going down, you're going to want to stay away from trees. And even while driving, especially higher profile vehicles, maybe slow it down. And if you are in a lower profile vehicle, maybe try and stay away from those trucks that can get a little wobbly.
Lily also advises to stay home as much as possible when wind speeds are dangerously high. And according to New York State Electric and Gas, the high winds were confirmed to cause power outages for over 1,000 homes in the village of Horseheads. For now, live in the studio, I'm Jacob Matthews, 18 News.